Stephen King success story. Stephen Edwin King. Stephen King is an American best-selling author whose specialization in science fiction, fantasy, horror, and suspense stories. His books have been adapted into a number of successful Hollywood films like The Shawshank Redemption, Carrie, Secret Window, and Arts in Atlantics. As of 2013, his book have sold more than 300 million hardbound copies. Stephen has published a total of 50 novels and 200 short stories, out of which 90% of them have gone on to be positively appreciated. Stephen was born on September 21, 1947 in Portland, Maine. He attended Durham Elementary School. Stephen was interested in writing from a very young age. At school, he used to contribute articles to the school magazine. He used to write short stories in a similar pattern to the recent films. He had seen and sell into his friends for a few cents. He graduated with a degree in Bachelor of Arts from the University of Maine in 1970. As he could not find any vacant position as a high school teacher, he began by selling his short stories to various magazines. In 1971, he got hired a teacher in Hampden, Maine. In the meantime, he was thinking about new ideas and stories that he could work on. Soon he was able to complete writing his full novel called Carrie. But before he could finish completing the script, he was overcome by depression and had thrown away the initial few pages he had written. But his wife's encouragement helped him overcome his lack of motivation and he persevered to complete the whole book. In 1973, his book Carrie was accepted by publishing house Doubleday. This was a great achievement for this aspiring writer who had been struggling to find an audience for his writings ever since his childhood days. Now Stephen was overcome by a drinking problem which was caused by the immense anxiety and tension he took upon himself in order to write a great story. In 1977, his book The Shining got published. After this, Stephen's work began to be recognized and receive mild appreciation. By then, he had overcome his drinking problem successfully. In the 1970s, Stephen started writing the incredibly popular The Dark Tower series. This book was eminently successful and brought Stephen into the limelight. In 1918, his book Firestarter sold 1 lakh copies, and his popularity grew further as his book Christine sold 2,15,000 copies. Stephen kept coming back with more and more stories in the same genre to satisfy his ever increasing fan base. The releasing of the book The Dark Tower 2, The Drying of the Tree, brought him more success. His latest books were going on to break his previous sales records. He reached the peak of his success in 1986 when his book It went on to break all previous records by selling a mammoth 1 million copies. He continued his success throughout his career, writing short stories and novels, which always went on to receive high praise from fans and critics alike. Stephen was a struggling author without a proper job and he faced the depression because of his earlier failures, but he has gone on to be successful only by believing in his skills, even when everyone around him left his side. Stephen King's life is a lesson that teaches us that believing in yourself is the only way possible to become the most successful person you can ever be.